Hey guys, welcome back. If you have been here before, if you haven't, hi, welcome. I'm Kaylee Kincaid. Thank you for watching this video today. I am going to do a huge purge and clean out, deep clean of our kitchen today. I haven't gone through all of our kitchen supplies in probably over a year, so I know there's definitely some stuff that I need to get rid of that we no longer use or have never used. So I am going to do that today and simplify my life a little bit. So if that interests you, stay along. Let's get started. Okay, the first step is to take everything out of your cabinets and purge. I did this cabinet by cabinet so that it wouldn't get overwhelming, and I already knew how I wanted my items laid out back in my cabinets, but if it's easier to take everything out at once and go through it and then purge it, that is a great way to do it. I found a ton of these tiny little glasses that we get from places. Had to get rid of a few of those. So when deciding what to keep and what to get rid of in the kitchen, the only question I really ask myself is, do I use this? If I don't use it, it's gotta go. Of course, if you only use a few pans to regularly cook with and you want to keep an extra one for events like Thanksgiving or big gatherings, absolutely do that. But otherwise, if you have excess of pots, pans, plates, cups, etc., get rid of them. That's as simple as it is. Somebody else can use that. I was also able to get rid of a crock pot because we have an Instapot now, and had 2 crock pots for some reason, and a blender that we never use because we have another blender and a mixer. Just stuff like that that you don't need anymore. Oh my gosh, who needs this many cooking trays? I got rid of quite a few of these. Do you have a million coffee mugs too? Some of those are sentimental though, right? I like it, I want it, I got it, yeah, I want it, I want it, I want it, I want it. Oh yeah, you better believe I'll be jamming out while doing all of this. Duh. And here's all the stuff I'm getting rid of. Woohoo! Okay, after boxing up all the stuff you're getting rid of, clean out your cabinets and all of the items that are going back in your cabinets. I usually vacuum out all the cabinets and then spray them with an all-purpose cleaner and wipe them out with a microfiber rag. And then I also clean off all of the appliances and pots and everything and make sure they're all clean before going back in to the cabinets. When everything's clean, it's time to organize and put everything away. So I make a plan of where I want it all to be, and then I organize it. Here's a cabinet of stuff that we use, but use less often, kind of miscellaneous stuff. And then I have all my pots and pans here, stored with their lids on them, because I created so much space by getting rid of a lot that I can store them with their lids on them now. Hooray. Here is my cabinet full of the pans. Here's all of our pot holders and stuff. Drawer full of utensils with drawer dividers. Drawer with our silverware. Then there's all of our appliances down there. I was proud of how many coffee mugs I limited myself to. Here's the little cabinet of those. And here's a brand new, organized, clean, beautiful kitchen. It feels so good, you guys. I am so happy. I cannot recommend organizing and getting rid of stuff enough. It's wonderful. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching today. I hope you got a few tips and tricks or maybe just some inspiration to clean out your kitchen. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. That helps me know what kind of videos you guys like to see. And if you would be so kind, please subscribe. That helps support my channel and support me, and I would be eternally grateful. So have a great day and happy organizing.